Welcome back, everybody, to night 7 of the 12 nights of Beast Mode Christmas Camp.
Okay, cool.
What do we got?
Okay, on let's see, today's day 7 or night 7. So let's see, on night 6 we had the LED lantern.
Yep.
Night 5 was the truth or dab with the hot sauce dab thing that almost put us in the emergency room. Night 4 was the walkie-talkies.
You got
right? Okay. Night 3 was the fireside chats.
Fireside chats, fun game.
It was pretty cool, yes. So that was night 2, which is the apple cider. So this was the Alabama whiskey cider, right?
Also known as the Alabama Slammer.
Alabama Slammer. And then of course night 1, holiday flames.
Let's chuck one in there.
Toss some in the fire. Sweet. So here we are, night 7. What's going on?
And
wow, those came up quick.
Wow, look at that. Green and blue. Hopefully we get a little bit of red in there for the holiday
Oh,
spirit.
it's just right, man.
So, oh yeah, it's delicious.
Stuff is good.
So, Dana gave us specific instructions, one gift a night. So,
right.
we're opening night 7. And I believe this is night 7. Oh, you're gonna give it a shake? I think it's a telescope, Steve.
Or a kaleidoscope or something. It's
Does
like
it sound like it's got sand or
going
something?
back in there.
I bet it's goldfish.
On the beach, right? Okay, I'm gonna open this in a
Go ahead.
All right, here we go.
On the 7th day of Christmas, Dana gave to us BeastMode Camping.
Beach. The hell?
Toilet paper roll.
Roll. A survival torch. What is a survival torch? This is interesting.
Looks like, what is that, a cardboard container?
Yeah, this is cardboard.
Okay, mind.
Here's the little lid, cool little container.
While you're looking at that, I'm gonna read this.
Okay, this says prepared.
Humans' ability to control fire is among the most important technological advancement in our evolutionary history. It all began with a spark, a single technological discovery that spread widely and quickly and has remained essential to human life.
We like fire. Oh, okay.
Prepared 4x survival torch uses
Prepared
that
for
primitive
anything.
technology and combines it with modern day innovation to bring you the next evolution in survival technology. Okay, so we got.
It looks like it's wrapped in this rope. I'm sure that has something to do with it. Oh, it's tied right here.
And what is that? Just a potato sack?
That's just holds it, but it looks like this is the instructions for it.
All right.
This rope is almost like it's.
Okay, so I think, yep, the rope's part of it. It says fray, scrape, control, extinguish. Okay.
Oh, this is cool. Look at this.
All right. So pull it all to where there's just a little tiny bit frayed out at the top. Yep.
Oh, and this is the sparker. Okay.
Yeah, so you pull all that rope through, fray the very end. I want to see if this works.
We're gonna see if it almost feels like it's got wax on it or something. Feel the rope. See what I mean? It almost holds its shape when you.
No, it definitely has something.
It's got something on it. There we go, like that. And then what? Just strike it?
They show this is like it's furrowed out.
Oh, like a bunch?
I mean, it's like going crazy, right? So very thin little. I'd take it and just kind of piecemeal it out. Yeah, I mean, this picture shows it. It looks like a 1970s mega bush.
Yeah, that's like a
Charlie's
1970s
Angels.
Sears catalog
Yeah,
lingerie section.
that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you need to turn that into 1970s lingerie.
This is cool.
With Mr. Caveman himself.
And then when you're done, you can just pull it into the base and it goes out.
Yeah. And it, you know, you just want like that much, so you can just strike it, boom, it's lit.
Yeah, and after you frayed this up the first time, I'm sure it won't be as bad the next time.
Right.
Because it'll already be started.
There you go.
Probably be waxy, something to help it last longer.
Yep.
All right.
Give it a strike.
Fan out the bush. Big old striker, man. Look at that.
Let's see it.
It's kind of sharp too.
Nice.
Sorry about that. I didn't think it was gonna go
Hey!
now.
Don't aim at your buddy.
I wasn't expecting it to blow up like that. Jesus. My little ferro rod isn't quite that. Jeez. This thing ain't playing around. There we go. Look at that.
Okay, now pull it in just so a little bit's out.
Look at that.
That's pretty awesome.
I like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering how long this is going to last. Just that little bit that's sticking out.
I don't know, but that is cool.
Yeah.
And I guess you could come
You
up
just-
with some
you
way
just
to
wind
kind
it all
of
up.
stash all this and just
Oh yeah,
kinda...
yeah, just wind it all up. All right, so let's go ahead and control it. Zip. Super nice. I love
That
it.
is very cool.
Dude, and this is,
It's heavy, yeah.
yeah, this feels like great quality.
Yeah.
Prepared 4X. And then I'm just gonna, boop, snuff it right out.
And then push it back out and strike it back up.
Oh, you want me?
Strike it back
You
up.
want me to give it a whirl?
It's like a matchstick, man. You're gonna be very surprised when you see how easy that thing strikes.
I'm gonna just Sears catalog it out a little bit.
I almost like that just for the striker, man. That is crazy.
Yeah, I mean, definitely something you want to put in your
Bug out bag.
your
man.
bug out bag. I'm just gonna aim this
Yeah,
upwards
that's
here.
kind of what I did. And it doesn't take a whole lot, yeah.
You just probably need to pull it out a little bit further.
Yeah, get it out there to get it started, and then you can rein it back in. Also, try not to throw the sparks too far. Actually keep, yeah, you don't have to try so hard, yeah. There you go. Oh, you had it there.
I put it out.
That is really cool, man. It would probably work better the more you had it frayed out too.
Yeah.
Like in that picture.
Like we've barely got it frayed
Yeah.
out.
Dude, that picture, they've got every little strand like pulled apart.
Yeah, like somebody spent
Yeah,
time.
they-
Look at that. And it just matches up, aligns perfectly.
Yeah.
I love it.
Dude, that is awesome. I love that.
Super cool.
We need 100 more of those,
Dude,
man.
this thing is so heavy.
I know, it's got some meat to it.
Wow.
I think, man, I think that's the rod, the flint. It's that heavy.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
great design.
Yeah, this is very
and,
cool.
and like with those little ones, you have to kind of, it's almost like you can't really get it. 'cause
Yeah, but this has got a big old handle on it, so you can really get a
thing's-
grip on it.
What is that, 6 inches?
12.
That's at least 1.5 feet.
Dude,
It's 18 inches
It's
long.
18 inches long.
12.
No, that's awesome, dude. Love it. Love it.
Awesome.
And it's got a little bag to keep it in. Sweet.
All right.
So that's night 7.
That's night 7. Join us tomorrow for night 8 of the 12 nights of Beast Mode Christmas camping.
Camping. See you tomorrow.